Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Econ Vision by your teaching buddy. Today I am here back with another video based on econometrics. Now you all might be thinking, is this a subject? Is this a particular course or what it is? This is particular subject which is studied in graduation and post graduation related to economics. Now in this particular video, I'll be telling you what is econometrics basically is, why we have to study, and how it has came as in one of those subjects. And later on in other videos, I'll be discussing everything about it. Okay, so econometrics is basically a subject which has come from the three different subjects, that is economics, mathematics, and statistics. Now, what is the role of these different subjects to form this? When we were studying already individually economics, mathematics, and statistics, why we need to combine these and make one another subject? The reason behind this, economics is a subject which only deals with the theory part. Theory basically means is where you only study about the quantitative and qualitative data, but none conclusion can be made or the prediction can be made. Statistics is used for the prediction part, and mathematics is used for the calculation part. Now if I take a small example of a consumption. Now consumption everybody might be knowing, and we know the formula also, that C is equals to A plus BY, where C stands for the consumption, A stands for the autonomous consumption, B is the slope, or we can say MPC in macroeconomics, and Y is an income. But when we study econometrics as a subject, and this particular uh, I can say equation in econometrics, it looks like something like this: C is equals to A plus BY plus UI. Now this UI is a different thing which we are going to study in this econometrics, because we assume that everything remains constant and consumption only depend upon the income. But this is not actually true. While studying the consumption function, we say that other things remains constant, or we can say ceteris paribus. But the thing is, we are going to study this UI part. This is termed as an error part, which is only studied in econometrics. And this error is basically taking in consideration of all those things which you have kept constant, and this will show you the effect of consumption, that how the consumption changes with this error term also. So we are going to discuss about all these things in this particular subject. So if you want to study more about econometrics, stay connected, comment down your mail, I'll share you one PDF of this book from where I'll be teaching this subject. So it will help you a lot to revise the things and to learn the concept in a better way. So thank you so much for watching the video.